the hell is that? What is the... What?
We had a deal.
Okay, what? Okay.
I thought we had a deal.
Yeah, we still are. What?
Which one we still have?
What? What?
You still the top what here?
Jesus. Jesus. Did you hear the sound? Jesus! What the hell? I feel so relieved. Jen! Jesus Lord. Jesus! What? No, the pressure of the fact that you are pressing the table down will make the crack sound.
See what people reason for the watch.
So I just thought, well, it's not that hard. Maybe it's not their body that is making that sound, but my own body
So
makes.
even after the agreement, you still jump.
Fantastic, thank you.
Wait, the last one, where did you feel it? In the
Just here.
If you stiffen your head or your body, the muscles will engage. If you relax, it becomes easier.
All right, sir.
Leave the head down.
What the hell is that? What is the... What?
We had a deal.
Okay, what? Okay.
I thought we had a deal.
Yeah, we still are. What?
Which one we still have?
What made that sound? Oh my god.
You've seen videos, Abby?
I have, but
So
it's different. It's
The
different.
sounds you see in the video, you thought it wasn't real.
It's different. It's different.
You feel it?
Yeah,
You okay?
I'm fine. What?
You still the top what here?
Jesus. Jesus. Did you hear the sound? Jesus! What the hell? Oh my gosh. I can stand up. Jehovah. What? I feel so relieved instantly and Jen! Jesus Lord. What are we doing?
I want you to know, say your friend there.
Jesus is Lord. Do you know I felt it here?
Jesus.
But really, wait.
Why my own sister, she say wait, your own dad, you tell it to wait.
That thing you said,
Yes.
like I felt like the bone was choking my throat.
You know the trick way again, Abby. Your throat don't free.
Why are you laughing at this guy? Oh my gosh. Jehovah, I've seen this one. Hey God.
You've seen all of them.
Hey God, I beg.
It's okay. We'll leave your head. Inhale. Out. Untangle your fingers.
Jesus! What? Nothing prepared
You
me
see
for
as I
this.
talk out. If we edit the video now and we don't put that part that I'm talking, people will think that I mean they even tell them to jump up.
No. Nothing prepared anyone for this. What? You know, when I watched it, I thought maybe this thing was off, so that when you press down, the sound, the pressure, the pressure of the fact that you are pressing the table down will make the crack sound.
See what people reason for they watch.
So I just thought, well, it's not that hard. Maybe it's not your body that is making that sound, but my own body
So even
makes.
after the agreement, you still jump.
Fantastic, thank you.
Wait, the last one, where did you feel it? In the
Just
neck?
here, like here, like
Just up.
someone is pulling my bone and say, stay away, like. Jump.
Jesus. Don't
Thank
leave
you.
it. You
Thank
okay?
you.
You rest for like 15 minutes.